The Hynniewtrep Integrated Territorial Organization, Hito, today the 30th March 2022, had submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister of the state, Conrad K Sangma, seeking clarity on the implementation of the Pradhan Mantri Vikas Karyakaram in the state of Meghalaya. Speaking to media persons, General Secretary of Hito Wanbun Endakar said that as per the information that they had received through the Ministry of Minority Affairs Government of India, it clearly states that the Pmjvk scheme and project were implemented only in West Garo Hills district from the year 2015 to 2020, whereas other districts of the state were neglected. Therefore, Hito demanded the clarification on the existing anomalies, as the scheme guidelines indicate that it is meant for the welfare of the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other backward classes.
So we are very upset to see through RTI replies from the Ministry of Minority Affairs that the scheme which is meant to implement all over the states of Meghalaya was implemented only in West Garuel district. So it is a shame to see that the discrimination of the state government from the previous government to the present government, both the MUA and the MDA, under the leadership of Dr. Mukul Sangma and Conrad Sangma. See, this shows that this previous government and the present government has looked down to the rest of the district of the state through this implementation of this scheme, which are meant to implement all over the nooks and corner of the state of Meghalaya, but it was implemented only in the single district. So we, on behalf of the HITO, we will follow up this matter until and unless the chief minister clarify on which provision and on which ground this scheme was implemented only in a single district of the state. And at the same time, we are pursuing for the demand for the separate Khasi state, so that the scheme which are meant for the Khasi and Jaintia districts will be implemented accordingly, and relating to the reservation policy, so that the unemployed youth will get a chance to apply and pursue for job in different sector of the government department. Clearly replied in the RTI replies from the Ministry of Tribal Affairs New Delhi that the scheme which are meant for the construction of the Tribal Research Institute was implemented only in West Garhus district and the Chidengre locality, with the amount of 5 crore 735,000. So this is also a shame to see that the present government is allotted the scheme only for this West Garhus and not to the rest of the district of the state.